How to remove devices from Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how to remove your Instagram account from another devices. So for that, check your internet connection, update your application. After updating your application, click on the open button and this is gonna log you into your account. So in order to remove your account from other devices, go ahead and tap on your profile icon. Now this is gonna direct you to the profile page, so click on the tab bar icon right on top and then tap on settings and privacy or settings. So this is going to take you to the account settings page, so go ahead and tap on account center. Now over here, once you're on this page, one way of removing your Instagram account from other devices is that by changing your password. So go to account section and after that go to password and security, go to change password. Now in order to change your password, select the account. After that you'll need to enter in the current password. First of all, retype in the new one and then type in the new one, and for the confirmation retype in the new password. Click on the change password button. As soon as you make an update with your information, you'll be logged out of all the devices that you're currently logged in. And apart from that, what else you can do is you can also check your login alerts. Go to login alerts and over here you'll be able to see your login details. So over here what you can do is you can also go to your login activity, or you'll be able to see security check. Under it you'll be able to see where you're logged in. Click on it and this is going to take you to the page where your devices, where your account is actually logged in. So here you can see that this particular account is logged in my Windows. So click on select device or logout. If you're sure about it, then click on the account and click on the logout button. This is gonna log you out of that particular device. In this way you can remove your Instagram account from other devices. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.